Have you ever wanted to add American Revolution sticker to a WikiTree profile and found it just a little too complicated? I'm going to show you how we simplified it to make it easy. Go ahead and go to the American Revolution project on WikiTree, and at the top of the project page, you'll see a category called American Revolution. Once you click on that, you'll get a very high-level category system that shows several options, including the Continental Line, the Continental Navy, privateers, revolutionary militia, loyalists, British Army, and German Hessians, and a few other choices. We're looking for revolutionary militia units. This is still a high-level category, so we need to look a little bit lower. We're going to scroll down because our profile person served in Georgia. We're going to click on Georgia. And still a little too high, we can scroll down and see that we can find the exact militia unit, Richmond County Militia. Click on that. And on the categories, we have added the sticker code. So all you need to do is copy the sticker code, and we're going to paste it over on the profile. Now that it's copied, we're going to go over to Darby's profile, click on Edit, scroll down until you see the biography header. Stickers always go below the biography header, never above it, and we're going to paste it in. It's that quick and that's easy. Save the profile. And when you save the profile, you always want to make sure that you type in a change explanation. For stickers, I like to be pretty specific on what we did because you might add more than one sticker. It's always handy to add the project sticker. So we're adding American Revolutionary War sticker. Click on Save. This will bring you back to the profile, and it looks good. If you see any red ink under the category section, that means that the category is wrong. And we'll see you next time.